Get a paper towel, make a paper towel wet, just enough. No water should go here. It could ruin the LCD. Or here, only on the edges, no water at all. And this is a microfiber cloth for later. It's from sunglasses. So water first on the screen, go left and right like this. And always move away from it so that you don't rub the dust on the screen. Try to lift it slightly and clean with another part of the tissue. Turn it on the other side and do the same again. Left and right like this. And the bottom, the sides. Most important, the top. Look at it. It's clean. And now it's clean. Okay. Take the microfiber cloth and remove any extra stuff. This part is really dirty here, so I will clean again with a wet paper towel. I changed the paper towel. You can do vertical movements, but better not to go below here too much. So that's why I prefer horizontal like this. You only touch below at the end. Start from the top, go left and right, and only at the end, when most of the water is gone from the paper towel, then you can touch the bottom. And now the microfiber cloth, make it worse. Oh, I made it worse. Yeah, maybe no need for microfiber cloth, just this paper towel. A vertical movement can break the patterns. And if you really care about dust, no dust, use a blowtorch. It doesn't work. It's dusty because there is dust here also on the sound bar. It's always dusty here. We keep the windows open, so it's always dusty. I think it's pretty clean. Not sure if this is ideal, but you can use your hand. This only shows now because the sun is in the way. So, yeah, it's starting, but there is no source, so no signal. I know you can see me, so yeah. Just use a wet paper towel, water, no alcohol, no cleaning products, plain simple water, and don't press too much on it. And look, I just realized here. You see how it's moving the LCD? Maybe it's time for a new TV. Okay, we could. Let me know what TV brand is better, Samsung or LG, and why. There was a lot of dirt here.